Autodesk Inventor 2022 introduces new functionality to help you create multiple representations of your design inside of one part file. Model states can be used in part models to capture your design intent, showing flexible components, families of parts, or simplified versions of your design without creating additional files on disk. Each model has its own iProperties, allowing you to create families or variations of parts with unique metadata, such as material or stock number. Model states in part files can be used to capture the design of your part as it progresses through the manufacturing process. In this example, we first see the cast, then the machined version of the part, both of which have been modeled in the same part file. Before programming the part for machining, we can create a new model state and suppress only those features which are not required for CNC programming. We often need a simplified version of our design for simulation, coordination, or simply to protect our intellectual property. Simplified representations within model states are ideal when preparing your model for simulation, while retaining design intent without creating additional derived files. In the past, we've used automation tools to help simplify the designs retrospectively. Model states allow a new possibility of building components that have the simplified representation built in from the start. Any dimensional change made to the design will automatically update all relevant model states. All the design intent is within one file. Model states are fully supported by the Inventor API and iLogic to help you automate your design workflow. Autodesk Inventor 2022 provides new functionality to help you streamline your modeling and automation tasks within model states for part files.